warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Rezka Octa Furdawanda. You can call me Rezka. In this video, we'll speak about describing my vacation. And let's listen. Trip to Contoh Painan Beach, Muaro Tarusan, and Orange Gardens. This year's vacation lasts very long because of the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia and even in the world. So that activity is limited and must be at home so as not to be affected by the spread of COVID-19. 3 months, I just stay home and I also happen to have a college assignment to make a video, and I also invite my family and cousin to visit Contoh Beach. Contoh Beach is a famous tourist spot and its location is near from my house, only 2 kilometers, and take about 5 minutes. We deliberately left there at 10 a.m. and when we arrived there, we were surprised to see the quiet of the place. No one's were there, with the exceptions of a photography, but we are also very happy because there is no one there. We feel safe because we are not in the beach and from to avoid corona. Even though we could not go to the Cingkua Island and on the beach of Contoh, we continue to enjoy the atmosphere of the beauty of the Contoh beach and took pictures. Doing video excitement, playing PUBG mobile games, and while enjoying the brawling land. After that, at 12 a.m. we moved location. We went to Muaro Tarusan Beach. Just know, Muaro Tarusan Beach is a beautiful beach with the presence of pine trees and broad wind sand and strong winds that make the hair become peaceful and happy. At Muaro Tarusan, we also relax and enjoy the beautiful scenery and beach. We took pictures, stories, and I continued to take videos. And after that, we headed towards home. But before return, we stopped at Orange Gardens. The Orange Gardens is my mother's. We monitored the citrus on while on vacation. My sisters, my cousin, and I picked the ripe orange for us to taste. We like orange because they are tasty and nutritious. Then I also took a video of the orange garden and took pictures together. The view is green and beautiful. There is also land and I like the wind. So I was also happy because my video was finished and go take a vacation with my family and cousin. In the afternoon, we went back home and arrived and we had a meal together. Okay guys, I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.